Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're going to be talking about Dodge Ram upgraded steering. Now this is primarily applicable to the 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. Now up front we have the Mopar 08.5 steering, something that comes stock on the 09 and up trucks and is a commonly accepted upgrade for the 03 to 07 trucks. We also have the Synergy Manufacturing Heavy Duty Steering Kit. It is a replacement setup for the 08.5 steering and also an upgrade for the 03 to 07 trucks with an upgraded pitman arm and stabilizer. To jump back to the beginning, the 08.5 steering has commonly been accepted as an upgrade for the 03 to 07 because it doesn't wear out as quick and it doesn't have the weird toe changes that the inverted Y linkage has when the suspension cycles. Now the 08 steering we've had pretty good luck with. Sometimes longevity wise it's a little bit tough. It's hard to put a number on it because we've seen setups wear out in as little as 15,000 miles, but some people have had luck, ranging into the 60,000 and higher range. The end is replaceable on the Mopar steering. 2 out of 4 ends can be replaced, but if you do have the drag link worn or the tie rod worn, you're going to have to essentially buy a whole new link, which typically runs about $200, and at that point you might as well buy a whole new linkage, about $400. And that's really where we see the Synergy steering shine, because you're really spending $750 one time and you have a steering that's going to last the lifetime of your vehicle. Both steering kits have sealed ends, however the factory Mopar is not greasable while the Synergy steering is. That's a big selling point for guys in harsh environments where they want to keep pumping grease in to get road grime out, salt, etc. that might wear the joints. Strength-wise, the Synergy steering uses a solid 1.5-inch drag link, an 1.5-inch DOM tubing on the tie rod. The factory steering is solid actually on the drag link, but the tie rod uses a crimp fitting, so it's really not that strong. The Synergy setup is fully adjustable. It uses a separate stabilizer clamp that will use your stock stabilizer if you already have the 08.5 steering, or even a factory stabilizer if you have a 03 to 07. This is usually a good time to step up to like a Bilstein, Carly, or Thurin, or a Fox stabilizer. And we're going to be doing a whole nother video just on the differences between those stabilizers. The biggest complaint people have with the Synergy steering is something we'll also be addressing in another video, and that's the drag link touching the tie rod. It really is a setup issue, something that can be mitigated completely by proper setup, so keep an eye out for a second video for that. The Synergy steering runs $750 with free shipping. You may see it for $675 online at other retailers. However, they pretty much just left out the stabilizer bracket, which is something you need unless you're running hydro assist or a billet clamp or something like that. So $750 is pretty much the standard price for these. We try to keep these in stock full time. There's free shipping on them. And yeah, I think if you are on the fence of whether you need to do the Synergy or Mopar, if you can swing it, I always say get the Synergy, because down the line you can just replace any of these joints pretty simply, something the Mopar setup can't really do. And yeah, just the greasable options, the flexibility really makes it a better option for most people. And just like always, if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, give us a call, shoot us an email, or reach out to us on social media. We'll be happy to help you out. Please subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications of any of our upcoming videos, and we look forward to helping you guys out some more.